Stop struggling creating content for your YouTube channel and use these 50+ YouTube video ideas that are gonna blow up your channel and your business this year. These titles are backed with years of keyword research, experience, and knowledge working with YouTube clients from literally all different industries. I guarantee you, if you use some of these titles, you're gonna be able to really build in followers, build in subscribers, and build in your clients. Let's get it. What's up, it's Danny, your guide to authentic video that builds community and pulls in your dream clients. If you haven't already, be sure to grab my starting on YouTube cheat sheet, and let's dive right into the video. Let's start with my favorite type of YouTube content in order to blow up your channel, and those are how-to videos. I'm a big fan of how-to videos, as you can see, because people go to YouTube and they search how-to questions all the time. So if you can be that person in your niche, you are guaranteed a lot more views, a lot more followers. So the key to growing fast on YouTube is to create content that people are actually searching for, right? So that is how-to videos. So number one, how to start whatever your niche may be, how to start a YouTube channel. How to become a makeup artist, how to make a, how to write a, how to sell a, I don't know, how to sell for your first digital product on Etsy. Get specific with these. How to get more followers on Instagram, how to get more hair clients. Again, be specific. How to make money as a teacher, stay-at-home mom, dog walker. Pro tip for your titles, they can be 100 characters. So use them to your advantage. Make sure you're using keywords, which are key phrases that you think that your ideal audience is going to be using when they search. The next genre of YouTube video ideas to blow up your channel this year are transformation videos. People love a good transformation. How I went from to 3 steps to what is the transformation that your ideal audience wants. Could be 3 steps to more followers on Instagram, 3 steps to writing a great email, how to become a blank in and insert the year. Inserting a year is a great way to boost up your video on YouTube. And then if it becomes the next year, just delete the year, you know? Don't change the year though. Don't do that. Don't be sneaky like that. If it ain't that year, don't change the year back. Anyway, 5 secrets to, and again, push that transformation your ideal audience wants. So maybe 5 secrets to making passive income on Etsy. My journey to, maybe my journey to 10 income streams. And remember, your videos don't have to be about things you're an expert in. It can be just you sharing your journey. People love the journey, right? Think about like even my come up on YouTube. Like you can look back at my former videos, you know, share the journey. You don't always have to be the expert. People also like to feel like there's somebody that's with them and going through the same things and experiencing the same things at the same time. The next genre of YouTube video ideas to blow up your channel are vlogs. But now these have to be specific vlogs, because if you just vlog about your life, they aren't going to grow your channel. You have to do ones that are really highly searched and are more trendy. And so I'm going to give you the trending vlog titles right now. You're welcome. Okay, I quit. I have so many clients through the I quit video. It's always one of their top videos. People love a good I quit story. So what niche were you formerly in that you quit that you don't recommend anymore? Or how did you get to be where you're at now? What job did you quit? Talk about it. Pro tip for you, make sure that you don't do your titles in all caps. If you would do something like, I quit my job from blank, try to just use a few words in caps. YouTube's actually done research and they found that titles with all caps get less clicks because people feel like they're being yelled at. Now, you know, people are really into morning and evening routines. So morning routine of a, get specific with your niche, evening routine of a day in the life of a, behind the scenes of a, office tour of a, home office tour of a, insert niche. By the way, if this is helpful for you, I have a whole playlist of videos that teach you all the YouTube how-tos. Make sure you check it out after this video. The next genre of YouTube video ideas to really grow your channel fast this year are product recommendations. Ooh, and these you can make some money off of from affiliate links. Okay, so top 5 products every blank needs. Top 5 products every copywriter needs. What to pack for a blank as a blank, like what to pack for a beach shoot as a photographer. 5 inexpensive products that I use every day as a blank. Fun fact, odd numbers do better than even numbers in titles. That's why when you see pricing, people always have their products priced at like $9.97 or something. Odd numbers, they do better. I don't know why, but you know, psychology says so, so just do it. My 5 favorite Amazon buys for my travels. Top 5 books every blank insert niche needs to read. And if you can add some sort of like an emotional appeal on the back end of these titles, they're going to do even better. So for example, top 5 books every entrepreneur needs to read in order to become a millionaire. Ooh, see how that's even more enticing than just something like the top 5 books every entrepreneur needs to read? Top books to read to help you, and then insert the transformation that your audience wants. The power of blank. talk about just one product that you love. Like for example, if you're a dietitian, the power of turmeric. You could just talk about one product that you really, really enjoy that you know is heavily searched. The next genre of YouTube video ideas to really blow up your channel this year are insights into your niche or industry. The truth about blank. This title does really well. What I wish I knew before becoming a whatever your niche is. 5 things every new must do. 10 things I learned from studying millionaire crypto people. What are crypto people called? I don't know. My 2022 blank strategy. My 2022 YouTube strategy. A beginner's guide to blank in, again, insert the year. Do this instead of this and insert something really common that many people in your niche promote to do. 50 ideas for blank. Is that this video right now? Oh, see, we got a title right here. Okay. The next genre of video title ideas to grow your channel fast is mistakes. People love to avoid some mistakes. So 3 mistakes I made as a 5 common mistakes that new make. 7 costly mistakes new make. Like 7 costly mistakes new online coaches make. 10 things every should avoid. Okay, now one of my absolute favorite genres to do for video ideas that do really, really well on YouTube are versus videos. Product versus product. Compare the most popular products in your niche or industry. Sony versus Canon. Job versus job. Company versus other company. Software versus other software. Lifestyle versus lifestyle, like vegetarianism versus veganism. Make sure these really relate to that one person that you're talking to on your channel. The next genre of video ideas that do really, really well are best, easiest, and quickest videos. The best software for, best products for blank under $50, best products for blank under $25, best equipment for the easiest way to insert transformation, the quickest way to 10,000 followers. Also, if you know there are products that are really popular in your industry, you can always do unboxings and compare them in that way. And going along with that, some of my favorite video title ideas are reviews. These videos also do really, really well on YouTube. 1 month review of, 3 month review of, 6 month review of, 1 year review of. I'm about to do a 6 month review of Kajabi, and I know that it's going to do really well and also be able to bring me in passive income and affiliate money. I'm telling you, do a review of something in your industry and watch your videos grow in views and subscribers. People also love 1 year of, like 1 year of fasting and how it changed my life. If you've been doing something for a year that relates to your niche, talk about it in a video. Or is blank worth it? Is there something really popular in your niche that people are kind of deciding between? Having a title asking that question will also do well. Now that you've got highly optimized YouTube video ideas, make sure you grab my starting on YouTube cheat sheet. Also, while you wait for next week's video, be sure to check out these other helpful videos. And if this video was helpful for you, make sure you give it a thumbs up, be sure to subscribe, and I will see you next video.